Ta-da! Yeah, if you're underwhelmed, so am I. Alright, so we mounted it. So now it's a thingamabob, well, shit catcher, I suppose. Keys, helmet lock, somewhere to hold the gloves and let them dry easier. Another one on that side, and a couple of more thingamabobs. It works. Oh, before you ask, helmet lock. Remember, you can buy these expensive helmet locks for what, $20 or something. Look, all what you need is a normal lock with a very long shackle, so it goes through your fastening device on your helmet, either that double D ring or the other one. Yeah, that slider. You have to go through the material here. But reason it looks like this as well, A, not to scratch anything on your bike, so this is just heat shrink. So it's here. Because some guys would just leave this on the handlebars, it'll smash against everything and damage your bike. At least with this heat shrink tubing, nothing will happen. And, well, I chose maybe the wrong colors. Anybody who looks at that is like, what's that under the helmet? Okay, helmet is locked, can't steal it. Yeah. So, quick, easy solution. What else? Yes. Damper feedback. So, switching from that 5W piss water to 15, noticeable difference? Yeah, to a certain degree. Low speed, it does feel a bit more like an exercise. There's a bit more resistance on it, but not so much that you would have trouble maneuvering on the parking lot. I mean, come on. You ride a motorcycle, you are expected to have a little bit of muscle in your arm, if not from your constant masturbations. So that's that. High-speed wobbles, etc., have also been dampened down. Especially the one where you shift from 4, red line, 5th, 6th, and hold on for dear life. The front wheel will sometimes lift and do this. Happens. Now it's a little bit less scary, maybe. So, service was definitely worthwhile. Switching out the oil, definitely worthwhile. Personally, I wouldn't recommend going 20W or even higher. There, we're really talking feedback from the forks. So, keep it simple. But again, I don't know what you prefer. I mean, some people will like that. Others will prefer pink drinks with umbrellas in it. To each his own. Trying to make a difference here. No, not really. I'm lying to myself. Anyway, later.